Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. I would like to show you this. It is number 13 of 50, DISZFAFT. And the question is, what does DISZFAFT stand for? I know a lot of you have seen this on other Zippos. This is a reproduction. It actually has the number on it, 13 of 50. And it's a reproduction of an old salesman sample. And to show you what DISZFAFT means, it means, did I sell Zippo flints and fluid today? It's a nice little lighter. I had purchased this from a gentleman off of eBay. It is a December of 2023 insert with a December of 2023 case, which is really cool. And sad to say, the seller passed away. So I don't know if these are available anymore. I don't see them anywhere. That was the only seller that I knew that had them. And it sucks because he had a lot of nice other rare, hard to find things. But that's what DISZFAFT means. Did I sell Zippo flints and fuel today? So thank you for tuning in and have a great day.